Yes, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, those who are entering, please switch on the video. All of you switch on the video. Children? Yes. Isha Kishan, switch on the video. Switch on the
Ma'am,
video. Name?
I can on my video.
Reha Fatima.
Yes,
Switch
ma'am.
on the video. Rehan Dave, Sebastian Armstrong.
Ma'am,
I'll be
ma'am,
marking
I
as.
have network issue, so can I off my video?
So you have to respond to my questions. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Safwan, Mohammad Safwan, I have not seen you for around 1 week. Huh?
4-5 days.
Huh?
4-5 days, ma'am. I was absent.
That's what I told. Around 1 week.
Ma'am.
What happened?
Ma'am.
Yes, Abel.
Ma'am, here very heavy rain, ma'am. So sometimes my video will go
Till it
automatically off.
Here also, ma'am.
No, Rehan. Okay, children. So I think, yes. What did we study previously? We studied about?
Linear pairs.
Yes.
You are doing problems, ma'am.
We solved some problems related to what?
To linear pairs, adjacent angles.
Yes, about linear pair, adjacent angles.
And
then-
supplementary and complementary.
Yeah, supplementary and complementary angles. And the last topic which we were discussing were vertically opposite angles, right?
Yes.
Vertically opposite angles, and we did some problems related to that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So vertically opposite angles, Nihal, Mustafa, can you tell me what are vertically opposite angles?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, the
Yes, Rehan Dev. Rehan Dev, what are vertically opposite angles?
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
ma'am, their opposite numbers will be same.
Opposite angles
Angles.
are equal.
Same.
Vertically opposite angles are same or they are equal. isn't
Equal.
it? Yes. Vertically opposite angles are equal in measure. That's what we studied yesterday. Now that topic is over and we have done some problems also. Now we are going to start with a new topic. Before that, children, you have seminar. I will give the information by the next period. Okay. On Saturday, coming Saturday. Yeah.
Ma'am, I send you the activity, ma'am.
Okay. That we'll discuss in the next period. This period, we'll start with a new topic. Okay. Now, children, listen here. Listen carefully. Okay. Look, I'm going to draw two lines. You have to say whether it is intersecting or parallel. Okay, I'll draw it. I'm going to draw two lines. You have to say whether it is intersecting or parallel. What about the first one, children?
Intersecting.
Intersecting.
Drawing like this.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am.
Yes.
Your voice
What about this one? What about
parallel,
this?
parallel.
They are parallel. Second type is parallel. First one is
parallel. Yes.
intersect. First one, they are intersecting lines. And second one, they are parallel.
Parallel.
Know the difference between intersecting and parallel lines, isn't it? Intersecting lines meet at a common point, but parallel lines never meet. But they keep a fixed distance between the two lines. Okay, so that is the difference between parallel lines and intersecting lines. Now we are going to study something about intersecting lines. Just see this. We are drawing a line like this. Let it be line. I told you with small letter we used to represent the lines. Okay, line L1. Okay, then another line I'm drawing. We can name it L2. L2, line 2. Okay,
2.
line 1 and this is line 2. Next, L1, L2. Now, another line is going like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Let it be L3.
Okay, ma'am.
So, I have drawn two lines,
drawn.
L1 and L2. And another line I have drawn, that is L3. And you can see the third line which I have drawn
It's
is,
passing.
yeah, it is,
It's a transversal.
no, it is touching the other two lines at two different points, isn't it? Let this be the
Yes,
point
ma'am.
O and this be the point OM. Okay, so first point O and second point M. So the line L3 is touching the other two lines at the points O and M, right?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We can see that, we can
Yeah,
say
ma'am.
that L3 is intersecting the other two lines at two distinct points,
Ma'am,
at
it means that
two
what, ma'am?
distinct points. Distinct means different points, that's all. Okay, meaning
ma'am.
is different points. At two different points. It is meeting at two distinct points. So, and such a line is known as a transversal. Transversal.
Okay, ma'am.
Understood, children?
Yes.
Huh? Such a line that is cutting or crossing the other two lines at two different points are known as transversals. Okay, so it can be any number of lines I can draw. Suppose there is a third line here also, then also we can call this as a transversal. Look here, there's a line, another line coming like this, L3. Okay, the same line, not L3, we can take it as L4, because L3 we have given it as a transversal. So L3 and L4. So L3 is cutting L4 also at the point M, at the point N. Okay, at the point N. So, okay, so many lines are there, and if the line L3 is cutting all those lines at different points, then we can call L3 as the transversal. That means third line as the transversal. What is the name? Say
Transversal.
transversal. Okay. Now, what is not a transversal? Let us check. Then only
ma'am.
you will get an idea about what is a transversal. What is not a transversal?
Ma'am.
Yes, children.
Ma'am, then definitions and all you will send the
I
notes.
will send. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So just another one I'm going to draw to show which is not a transversal. Suppose this is a line and another line I'm drawing like this. Okay, two lines are drawn and let them meet together at this point, and another transversal I'm drawing a line, simply a line. It's not a transversal. See, if a line is passing, the third line is passing like this in between this, I cannot say it is a transversal because
Oh, ma'am.
because
they have common points.
L2 and this is L3. L3 is not a transversal because it is not crossing the other two lines at two different points. It is crossing the lines at
The same point.
We can say they are intersecting lines. That's all, intersecting. Okay, we cannot call L3 as a transversal. If it should be a transversal, it should cut or intersect the two lines, means two different points, it should intersect. Then only we can say it is a transversal. Understood what is a transversal, children?
Yes,
Here?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
A transversal definition can be given. A line,
Which is intersecting.
I'll write it on the board. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
I'll
We
write
can
it on the
write that.
yes, write it. Take down. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Transversal. You can write what is a transversal. a line that intersects two or more lines. We can put different colors. Transverse. Transversal. Transversal. A line that intersects. A line that intersects two or more lines. Two or more lines. Write down, all of you. Arun, Somi, you are not writing. I told you, you have to write it in your book. You have kept a book for mathematics, right? So in that book, you have to write it down. A line that intersects two or more lines at distinct points. At distinct points. A line that intersects two or more lines at distinct points is called a transversal.
Finish, ma'am.
A line that intersects two or more lines at distinct points is called a transversal. So I hope
Transversal.
everybody understood what is a transversal, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, children.
and ma'am, and we can copy it down to the paper.
No, that notes I will give you. I'll send you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, you can read it. Pranav, read it. Read the definition of transversal.
Transversal, a line that intersects two or more lines intersects two or more lines at distinct point is called transversal.
A transversal is called a transversal. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes, Irene, just read it. What is a transversal?
A line that intersects two or more lines at distinct points is called a transversal.
Distinct points is called a transversal. Yes, Mohammed Safwan, read it.
Line that intersects two or more lines
It is not insect, it is intersect.
Intersect.
intersects two or more lines that
At distinct points.
Distinct point.
at distinct points is called a transference.
What?
Ma'am,
Transversal.
Transversal.
Once more, Safwan, just read it properly. What is a transversal? Read it.
A line that
Louder. Louder. No, wait. Louder.
Ma'am, a line that intersects two or more lines that
Intersects two or more lines.
intersects two or more lines that
distant lines.
What is the word?
Transversal.
Transversal. Okay. So that is the transversal. Okay, 1 minute. Yes. All of you should read it. Transversal. Okay, stop now. Stop your mic. Okay. All of you stop the mic. Yes, what is that? Arun,
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
okay, tell me.
Ma'am, like if I'll show you, ma'am. I'll just draw. Like if it's like if it's like this, is it called also called a transversal?
No, I can't see. 1 minute. Let me check what you have drawn. There's only two. That is also a transversal. This third line is a transversal. Okay. I have
Okay,
put the
ma'am.
arrow. You can rub it.
I
You
thought it
can-
should be like slanting.
Ah, okay,
Okay,
no
I thought
problem.
it should be
See,
slanted.
like this, it's a transversal. The line, third line is cutting the other two, isn't it? Okay, now we can draw it like this.
No.
Okay, then there's this line 3. L3 is a transversal. Understood? Huh? Not only 3, it can be any number of lines. If it is like this, L3 is a transversal because it is cutting or crossing the other lines at different points. Okay, it should not be at the same point. Then it is not a transversal. Clear? Now the doubt is clear?
Ma'am, and it is
Yes,
intersecting. No.
Now, neither properties of transversals are, I'm just going, am I going fast? You can understand, no? Yes. 1 minute. I think the definition have gone.
No, ma'am, upside it is.
Yes, yes. Okay, let this be the definition. Okay.
Let me do it.
Transversal. Yeah. So I'm rubbing it. I hope
Ma'am,
everybody have taken it down.
Some examples.
Now listen, neither property we can see. So I'm going to draw 2 lines. And there is a transversal.
Ma'am, you are not giving the name.
Wait. I'll draw the transversal, then we can give the name. Okay. Yeah. I have drawn a transversal. Now we can keep this as line L, line M, and line N. Let it be. Okay. So I have drawn 2 lines and a transversal N. And it is cutting the other 2 lines, crossing the other 2 lines, or intersecting other 2 lines at 2 points.
Yes,
Okay, 2
I did
different points.
10 points.
You can say that N is a transversal.
Transversal.
Now, can you tell me, okay, Priyadatta, can you tell me how many angles are formed?
2.
How many angles are formed together? See, this is one angle, then second angle, third angle, fourth angle, isn't it?
Triangle.
1, 2, 3, 4. So how many angles?
8.
When one line is intersected, 4 angles are formed, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Now, next one.
8
Then,
total.
4, 5, 6,
7.
7, 8. So how many angles total? 8 angles are formed, isn't it? When two lines are intersected by a transversal, 8 angles are formed. 8
Ma'am,
angles
Ma'am,
are formed. Yes, children?
ma'am, it is an example of transversal, no?
Yes.
Corresponding.
Okay, so 2 lines we have taken. 2 lines are in.
We can only use 3 lines.
Yes.
Ma'am, we can only use 3 lines for transversal.
What he's saying?
Ma'am, he is saying that we can only use 3 lines.
Like
No. You can use any number of lines. It can be called as a transversal also. Understood? All can be transversals. We should cut the other lines in a point. Okay. Then we can call it a transversal.
Ma'am,
Yes.
now in this line down, we can draw one more line.
Yes, no problem. So at present we are learning only with 2 lines because it will be too much for you if I draw third one and again put the angles. Okay. So let us take a pair of lines and then learn the angles. You have to learn more about it. That's why. Okay. So let us draw 2 lines and intersect it, and let us study about the angles formed. So did you understand? A pair of lines are intersected by a transversal. How many angles are formed, children?
8 angles.
8 angles are formed. 8 angles are formed. Out of this, we have to learn some special angles. Okay. Look at this. Angle 1, I'll color it. Yeah. I'm going to color some angles. I'm going to color some angles.
Ma'am, you can
Just
use
see.
red, ma'am, red.
Okay. 1 minute. Yeah. This angle. Have given yellow. I click the red, became yellow. Children, these two angles, you see the speciality about these two angles, where it lies upon the line, isn't it? On the same side of the transversal. Angle 1, angle 5. Are they lying on the same side of the transversal, children? And they are upon the line, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, angle 1 and angle 2 can be called by the name corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. You see this? So, angle 1 and angle 5
Ma'am, they will be equal.
are, no, that we will study later, are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Okay. Corresponding angles. Angle 1 and angle 5. You should understand the special nature of it. See, they are lying upon the line. See it? Both are lying upon the line and on the same side of the transverse. They are known as corresponding angles.
Ma'am, corresponding angles spelling word, ma'am, in that.
Okay.
COO.
You didn't understand. I'll tell you. Corresponding angles. Angle 1 and angle 5 are called
Corresponding angle.
corresponding
Double R is there, ma'am.
Yes. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am. Now I
Corresponding.
understand.
Angle 1 and angle 2 are angle 5 are corresponding angles. Angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding angles. Now, I am going to color another one. Just see the speciality of it. Slowly we will study. Otherwise, it will not enter into your mind. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Look at these angles, children. Angle 4 and angle 8. Number can be different, okay, according to how you write, can be different. Okay, let us see angle 4 and angle 8. Angle 4 and angle 8 also, what is the special nature of those angles, children?
Ma'am,
Can you
they
tell
are
me?
corresponding angles.
They are, listen, tell me what is the special nature of that?
Ma'am,
Fatima,
they are also corresponding angles.
They are lying on the same side of the transversal, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
And upon the line, correct?
Yes.
So they are also a pair of corresponding angles. Clear?
Yes.
They are also a pair of corresponding angles. So you can see angle 1 and angle 5. They lie upon the line and on the same side of the transversal. And also you can see left side, angle 4 and angle 8. They also lie on the same side of the transversal and upon the line, right?
Yes, ma'am. And they are
known as what?
Corresponding angles.
Yes, they are known as corresponding
angles.
So we can say angle 4 and angle 3. Sorry, angle 4 and angle 8. Angle colored one. Okay, red color I have given. So you see angle 4 and angle 8 are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. See children, this picture should be there in your mind. You cannot learn by heart.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you have to imagine like this when corresponding angles. If you hear the word, this imagination should come to your mind. Where the corresponding angles lie, they will be a pair of corresponding angles. They will be upon the line and also
Same side of it.
Same side of the transversal. Okay, now I am going to color another pair. Just see, it has gone out. Okay, bring it down.
3 and 6.
Yes, my dear. Wait. It's gone. Whole picture will go up. Okay, what is the time? Just 5 minutes before you have to inform me to take attendance. Okay.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am. Ma'am, now we have 9 more minutes.
Let me complete it. Now I am going to color another pair. Children, angle this one. Okay, this is fill the color. Yeah. Look at this. I am coloring angle 2 and angle 6. Where do they lie?
Ma'am, they lie
They are 3 and 6.
2 and 6 I have colored. Where do they lie?
below the
Below the
Okay, below the line, and then
they are in intersecting.
are they lying on the same side of the transversal?
Yes. Ma'am, on same
Yes.
side of the transversal, ma'am.
Yes, no? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't it? So they both lie under the line. Think
On the
like
same
that.
side
Under
of
the
the
line
transversal.
and same on the
Same
same
side
side of the
of
transversal. They are also a pair of corresponding angles. Okay. So we can write.
Angle
Yeah.
2 and angle
Angle,
6
ma'am.
are 6
Yes,
are
children?
corresponding
Yes,
angles.
yes.
Ma'am,
Okay, tell me.
ma'am, angle 1 and 4 make a linear pair.
Wait, don't, we'll come to it. Okay, very good. Aaron, very good. They form a linear pair, very good. Okay, I'll come to that later. After discussing all this, we'll come to that. Okay, very good. Now listen, children, we stopped where angle 2 and angle 6 also form a linear pair. You can write angle 2 and angle 6 form a linear pair. Okay, they are also forming a linear pair. Now I am going to color another two. Another two.
Angle
Yeah, angle 3 and angle 7.
7.
Children, where do they lie?
They lie below the line
Ah,
and they are
yes, they are.
uh,
Can we call them corresponding angles?
no, ma'am.
No. Why?
Yes.
We can,
Yes.
we
Ma'am,
can
yes.
call 2
They are
and 2 and
equal
6
size.
corresponding angles. Then why 3 and 7 cannot be called?
Yes, ma'am.
They are also a
corresponding
pair of corresponding angles.
angle.
Okay. So we can write angle 3 and angle 7 are also a pair of corresponding angles. Pair of corresponding angles. So how many pair of corresponding angles we have when two lines are intersected by transversal?
3, ma'am.
How many pairs?
4, ma'am, 4.
Pairs I'm asking. One. See, this
Ma'am,
is
2 pairs.
one pair. First pair, second pair, then third, and then fourth one. Okay. Pair means what? What do you mean by pair?
Ma'am,
Two angles, isn't it? Pair of
Yes, ma'am.
angles means two angles. Children, okay. So we got 4 pairs of corresponding angles.
Angle.
Will you remember all these angles? I have colored it different. Okay. I have given different colors. So when do we say two angles are corresponding angle?
Ma'am,
Either,
they are in the
Either they should be upon the line
Pair of.
and on the same side of the
Same
transversal, or they both should be under the lines and
And same.
on the same side of the
Same.
transversal. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
attendance.
Attendance. Okay. So I hope this is
Ma'am,
clear. One more
Pranav
period
is
is
calling
there.
you.
One more period is there. We'll learn about another pair of angles. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, Pranav
Yes.
is calling you.
What happened, Pranav? Hello, Pranav.
Cool.
Those
No,
who can
I did
switch on the video, there is no problem. You just switch on the video, children. Why you have switched off now? Oh, other students have entered. Wait. They can enter only that their time, no? Is it? Yes. Okay. So did you all of you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Gopika, Parvati, Amrita entered the wait. Let them wait.
Ma'am, that
Children, tell me now what are the spirit what we have studied.
Ma'am, we study about
Ma'am,
corresponding angle, transversal.
One minute. Attendance, I'll take a photo. I didn't bring the pen. I'll take a photo of it. Okay. Yes, sir. Today, Rehan Dev, can you tell me?
Ma'am, today we learned about corresponding angles and transversal,
Hmm.
and they intersect two or more lines.
No. Tell me what is the definition of a transversal. Rehan, can you tell me? Okay, Rehan Dev, you have told. Rehan. Yes.
A line that
In
intersects two or more line
At how many points?
Distinct point is called
Different points. Okay. Don't learn by heart. You have to understand and say distinct, or you can say different points. No problem. Different points. It should not be same point. If a line is intersecting near the other two lines at two different points or two distinct points, that is a transversal. Okay. So, yes, Alisha, can you say what is a transversal? What do you mean by a transversal?
A line that
Yes, a line. Please be louder. Please be louder, Alisha.
Thank you, Anushka. Intersect two or more lines at
A line that intersects two or more lines
a different point is called transversal.
at two distinct points is called a transversal. Okay, Mohammad Safwan, once more. What is a transversal?
A line that intersects
Intersects. Intersects. Say intersects. Intersects
two or more lines that different point is
at different points. At distinct
point
points.
is called transfer.
Very good. Okay. Okay. And yes. We'll continue with corresponding angles. All of you understood, no? How the corresponding angles are formed. How many angles are formed when two lines are intersected by a transversal? Fatima?
Yes, ma'am.
How many angles are formed when two lines are intersected by a transversal?
Ma'am, 8 angles.
8 angles. Very good. Okay. Okay. So, shall we wind up today's class?
Yes, ma'am.
So in the next period, we will be meeting in the next period. Huh?
Ma'am, have a nice day, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Okay, have a nice. Thank you.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.